Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the Lucifer Rotsac in Subnautica 2. This is especially useful for crafting resources like the rubber or grease, which can then be crafted into basic fins and standard air tank. So to get the Lucifer Rotsac, you want to go to the beginning biome like this one and find a plant which has a yellow orangish orb in the center of it. It is going to look like this, and it is called Bridal Shedroot. So once you've found it, you want to go to the center and look at the orange orb. And by left clicking on it, you want to go ahead and pick up the Lucifer Rotsac. This is going to give you the Lucifer Rotsac into your inventory, and as you can see, you can go ahead to your base and use it. Craft rubber, grease, or whatever you will need. So this is pretty much all. How to get the Lucifer Rotsac and Subnautica 2. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.